Oh, look what we've got here then. Oh, look at that little beauty. Hey up, welcome back. Oh, look at this. Yes, Makita. Gonna get jealous soon. Right, this is the brushless Makita. It's a grinder. What else does I need to know? Right, I've actually borrowed this off one of my workmates. He was jealous of my Ryobi collection and wanted to try and outdo me. So we're going to put it to test and see just how good this Makita grinder is. So let's get set up. We'll have a proper closer look at it. Right, so as we dive into the box, we've got a instruction manual. We've got a 5 amp 18 volt battery. You've got your handle, which is R8-ish, battery charger and your grinder. Now this is the brushless model. Nice clicky on off switch. That's your disc lock so that you can undo your disc. Not sure if there's actually a spanner in here. There should be somewhere. I will have a look. If there isn't, my friend who's lent it me has probably forgot to put it in. Now this takes the standard 115 discs, but I don't know whether you'll be able to fit the 125s in. I shall have a look, because that's what this grinder takes. That's 125. That is the brushless Ryobi, but you're not here to watch that. So I will be doing a comparison video, see which one is performs best, but that'll be in a different video. So here we have a nice battery charger. You can actually make this play a melody, if you didn't know. It does play different songs, so it alerts you to when your battery is fully charged. Nice blow moulding, hold everything in place, space here for extra discs. I will have a quick look in the manual just to see what discs it says it will take, but this is a Makita one that I'm assuming came with it, and this is the 115 diameter disc, so I'm tipping that's what it's made for. So I cannot see a spanner in this box, but it don't really matter. I'll not be changing the blade. Yeah, there isn't one in there. Let's get set up, we'll get a test, see how it performs. Right, I'll show you what I mean with this. Right, so that's when you put it on. When it's fully charged, it will play that song a bit longer. To change it, you just take it off, put it on. There you go, you just pick whatever song you want and it'll play it when it's fully charged. This battery is fully charged, I put it on charge yesterday, so there's no need to wait for that. Another thing I've just noticed, there's only 2 positions for you to put your handle on. You can either have it on left or on right side. There's no space to have it on top. So let's get battery in, we'll test it out, see how it works. Right, here we go. Another thing, there is a speed control on this. It goes from 1 to 5, obviously 1 being your slowest. I suppose it will come in useful for doing delicate work. If you're trying to cut tiles or something, you might want it to be a bit slower, which is a nice feature. So I'll just speed it up now and show you the different speed settings. As you could hear the different speed settings building up, that is actually quite a nice feature. It's not really something I would use, mainly use them for grinding steel, so full speed for me. But we'll get a quick grind on here, see what sort of power it's got when you apply a bit of force. Also, you've got your quick release on your guard. So yeah, let's get a quick test. I'll just put my ear defenders on. Yeah, that's quite impressive, that. We're applying quite a bit of force to it. Didn't seem to want to stop. It did slow down a little bit the more pressure I put on, but it sent reasonably powerful for a cordless grinder, which is what you look for. Overall, it's quite a nice bit of kit. I think a Makita collection might be coming soon. I am really impressed with that. It's a very nice grinder. Feels nice. It's well balanced, you know, with battery. Nice grip. I like how it's like you can easily use it one-handed. The switch, easy to use. Nice position. It is a little bit rattly, but it's nice that it's got a lock-on power switch. That blade lock, I have actually got a spanner. We'll just have a look. No special, just pretty much like any other grinder. I will just find out this is a 125 cutting disc. I'll just see if it will fit. Right, it has fit, but there is hardly any space. You might find it could possibly start grinding away at the guard, but there is a gap, so you might be able to use 125 size discs in it, but it is made for the 115s. Same again, if you don't know, with this being a thinner disc, all you have to do is just turn that nut upside down, and that's how you fasten your thin discs in. You might not be able to get the thicker discs in because it's a tight fit just getting this thin disc in, so you could probably use 125 cutting discs on it, but you'll not get a 125 grinding disc in there. I very much doubt it. Right, so that's a quick look at this Makita. It is the LTX It says BL motor on it, and it's got a disc brake, so it stops spinning faster than what it normally would. The model number on this is DGA463, and I'm quite impressed with it. I will be putting it up against this. Obviously, if you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know that I'm a fan of my Ryobi tools. So it'd be interesting just to put these up against each other. So that'll be in the next video. Remember, if that's something that you want to see, whack that subscribe button. It helps me out. I've got a few special things lined up, which will be coming soon, hopefully. And thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.